Good morning, student. Today, I am going to tell about motion, which is the first chapter of class ninth physics. So let's start. What is motion? Motion. A body is said to be in motion. A body is said to be in motion if it changes its position with respect to surrounding and time, called motion. It means when we change our position with respect to surrounding means atmosphere around us, then it is called motion. So, what is the antonyms of motion? It is called rest. What is rest? Similarly, we can say that a body is said to be in rest if it does not change the position with respect to time and surrounding. Okay, now we will discuss about next topic. Here already we discussed about motion, about rest. Now we are going to discuss about distance, after that displacement, and one most important question: differentiate distance and displacement. So let's start about distance. What is distance? I am giving one example for distance. Suppose that you move from A to B, and after that B to C. Then what is distance? So here distance is equal to AB plus BC plus C. AB plus BC plus CA, the sum of AB plus BC plus CA is called distance. It means we can define the distance, the total length of path. The total length means A to B, B to C, and C to A. The total length of path is called distance. Its unit is meter. Unit, we can measure the distance in meter. And which type of quantity? So this is a scalar quantity. Okay, now move to displacement. What is displacement? So displacement, see in this example, when we move from A to B and B to C. So A is called initial point and C is called final point. So we can define the displacement, that is the shortest distance. It is a type of distance. Displacement is the shortest distance between initial point and final point. That is A to C. Distance between A to C, it is called displacement. And its unit, so similarly its unit is meter, but displacement is a vector quantity. Student, can you understand what is scalar and what is vector? Let's discuss about scalar quantity and vector quantity. Firstly, we are going to discuss about vector quantity. What is vector quantity? Student, for vector quantity, two things are required. First, magnitude, and second, direction. So we can say that those physical quantities which have both magnitude as well as direction is called vector quantity. Similarly, what is scalar? Scalar magnitude, but no direction is required. It means scalar quantities are those physical quantities which have only magnitude, not direction. Clear? For example, scalar quantity, mass, speed, these are scalar quantities because mass, unit of mass you know kg, unit of speed you know meter per second. There is no direction, but in weight and in velocity direction is required. The direction of weight is always towards the center of the earth, while in velocity we have required direction, different direction, we can say that. So vector quantities are those quantities which have both magnitude and direction, and scalar quantities are those physical quantities which have magnitude but no direction. Okay, this is the few topics which you have to learn and you can make the notes. I will upload further video after some time. Take care from coronavirus and stay home. Thank you.